Hi my dear friend, this is the second part of the reading. So like I was saying that the universe is pointing my attention again and again to that particular fact that you're going to receive this from the universe, you're going to receive this financial idea from the universe. It's going to be granted to you, it's going to come towards you. There were four cards which pointed to the same message, so it's a very strong message which is coming in regarding how you will get that idea or how you will venture forth in that new beginning with the finances. And also I'm being shown it's going to have a very rapid, it's going to happen very rapidly. The financial idea, it's going to like once it comes, once you get that epiphany or that thing being granted from the universe, you're going to take fast action, and it's going to materialize very soon. You're going to be very fast in getting that idea materialized or that association materialized. If there is that young person or the young man or the young energy man, even he might be, even though he might be older, but I'm getting that it's a younger energy man, and possibly he's also younger in his years than you. So and also with the financial situation, I'm also getting this message that there are two options, that you have currently, or there are two kind of careers that you are dabbling in currently. You're kind of balancing both of them, and I'm being again and again shown the number two, that there are two options that you are either conflicted about, and also there are two financial options, and there are two mental ideas which you are conflicted about. And in the future, definitely it's showing me two, two, two. There are again three cards which confirm that there are going to be two options, regarding the mental ideas and the finances. And I'm also being shown that in the future you are going to incline towards one of them more, as you go forward. Definitely both of them are going to make you money, and both of them might be making you money for I don't know what specifically are the two things that you're dabbling in, but in the future you are going to lean towards one of them more, and it's going to be very fruitful for you, that particular thing that you lean towards and go forward with. I'm being shown flowers regarding the situation. So that is a message that once you kind of make that commitment towards that one financial venture, or one stream of thought, or one ideology, or one way of going towards life in general, it's going to be fruitful for you. So once you reach that spot, the path ahead is quite bright. And also during that same time when you're dabbling with finances, you're going to have another spiritual awakening. Spiritual awakening, a epiphany, which is also going to be a very fast process and is going to be granted by the universe all of a sudden out of the blue. And ultimately you are going to achieve your desires, regarding this whole financial game plan which is going on in your life currently, which seems very dismal. You are going to achieve your desires. Like the outcome is very positive. So all this journey which is going through this upheaval and these disappointments and the poverty consciousness right now or in the near past which has been happening, is going to give way by you receiving a financial idea from the universe, and there being involvement of a younger man. Then there is going to be rapid growth regarding the two options that you are already dabbling in or are going to be granted in the future, and you're going to lean towards one choice, which is ultimately going to make all your wishes come true in terms of financial successes, financial gain. Monetarily, your situation is totally going to turn the wheels, and you are going to become the empress that you are all over again, with all bounty and belongings by your side. The outcome card and how this is going to happen came out also very strongly, like major arcana cards. So the wheel is totally going to turn in your favor. The destiny or the fortune is going to take a total turn, a total 360 turn, and it's going to provide you with whatever your desires were, and you are going to end up like the empress who has everything at her feet. You are going to have bounty, financial bounty, luxury, everything that you dreamed of. So And during this financial situation, during this whole thing going on with the financial situation, you're also going to have a spiritual awakening on the side, as a spiritual, as a part of your spiritual growth. And maybe your career is also related to that, but I'm not pointing towards that right now. There's going to be another spiritual awakening of totally a spiritual nature, not related to your career or your twin situation at all, And during the spread that I did, like I told you, my spread goes like a story, I don't specifically ask a question and then pull out cards. It goes like a story. And also to mention, in this story, I don't see the involvement of a twin, besides the factor that I got him in the past where there was a celebration and he came, and then there was like upheaval and like everything turned upside down. After that, I did not get him again. Now, considering the fact that the younger energy who is going to collaborate with you on the financial idea is him or not, uh, is not being made clear by the universe. It could be him, but as the energy that I'm picking up through my channel messages, I don't think it's going to be him. It's going to be another younger man. But keeping the possibility that it could be him collaborating with you, I would not totally rule out that possibility. But for me, giving this reading as a reader, I would say 90% of the times it would be some other younger energy person or a younger male, younger than you, who would be coming in. So now going on to the spread, so first I did the present spread, and this was the finances spread, and now I'm going to go over to the children's spread. So before I go to the children's spread, I would also like to mention, Nelita, that in this spread that I did for the present, there were 7 cards, and then the spread that I did for the financial situation, specifically for how the financial situation is going to play out and how it's going to go forward in the future, I did 12 cards for the financial situation. And then with the children's spread that I did 3 cards. So before I go to the children's spread, the 12 cards that I got in the financial spread, I would also like to state that you won't be moving at all. You won't be moving at all. It will all happen in the same place where you're staying right now, because I got no channel message or no card which points towards a move. So I'll make that very clear, before I move on to the children and the family spread. So thank you very much, my friend. I'm going to move on to the children's spread right now. So Nelita, while I did the children and the family spread for you, I was directly guided to this thing that the situation with your children and you having your children. Now I'm again not clear, what the situation was, but the cards make everything clear. So I'm being shown in the children's spread that you are the creator here, you are the lady who can get whatever she wants in the world. And I'm being shown that you are the creator, and whatever you create in your mind regarding your family situation and your children is going to come true. And I'm being shown, I did not get any messages regarding the present or the past with your children. All I got was future cards, what's going to happen in the future with the children. And I got such positive cards. I also got a card which just showed me that, you have children, and this spread is about children, while I was asking the universe to give me a spread regarding children. So I was given that your children really brighten up your life, and you really love them, and, they are a bright light in your life, and you really have a lot of space in your life, in your emotional life for your children, you really value them. So I'm being shown that, Nelita, soon you're going to have a happy home with your children, Soon you're going to create, while you're creating everything else, and the way your finances are going to turn around totally 360 degrees, you are going to create a very happy home for your children. Like, it could also be an actual structured home, you buying a home and then living very happily inside your home with your children. Again, I did not, this spread did not show me a male energy, coming in. So why I'm pointing this out is not in a negative way that a man is not coming in, but everything is going to happen by your own accord. You're going to do this on your own, in a very positive way. like I don't see any lingering male energies. I feel with the whole spread, like with the financial spread also that I did, the twin was not there. In the children's spread also, the twin energy is not showing up, or any other male energy is also not showing up. So I'm being shown that you are going to do it very it's going to just happen, Nelita. It's going to be given to you. Everything is going to happen very smoothly, and you would not even require any other assistance or any other codependent, things depending on a man or something. Your children are going to be set forth right towards you. You are going to get a new home. Like you are going to build a new home, buy a new home. It could be anything related to a home, but a home is coming in the spread. And then I'm being shown that majorly it's going to be your creation. You are going to work on this, take inspired action here, there. When your finances are set right, then automatically this situation with your kids is going to come through in a very good way. So Nelita, this was your whole spread. So I will go over the cards to just tell you about the present spread that I did, and then the career spread, and then the children's spread, so that you can know that what cards came out and how I gave you this reading. So Nelita, in your present spread, the cards that came out were Three of Cups, denoting the celebration, Knight of Cups, denoting your twin, the Tower, denoting the upheaval that happened at that party, Three of Swords, the disappointment and the heartache which you went through, King of Swords, which denotes some legal thing that you were involved in, or having very sharp mental activity at that time in a very negative way, which you had to do, to put things in the correct perspective. Five of Pentacles, poverty consciousness. Three of Wands, denoting that you were fed up and it was almost the end of your journey, and you didn't think that there was anything else left for you. Now the financial spread, Nelita. The Ace of Pentacles, a new idea, financial idea is going to come to you. Four of Swords is going to come to you in meditation. Angel is going to grant you that idea. Knight of Pentacles, another younger energy coming in to collaborate financially. Six of Cups, and again something is going to be given to you. Four of Cups, again the idea is going to be presented to you. Eight of Wands, it's going to be very rapid growth financially once that idea comes. Then the twos, the financial dabbling with the twos. Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. Finally, with the Two of Wands, you're going to get inclined towards one of the aspects or one of the financial propositions, and you're going to move forward. The wheel is going to turn with the Wheel of Fortune coming in, and then the Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted, and the Empress, once the Nine of Cups comes through, your wishes are going to be granted, and you are going to live life like an empress, financially. And also during the financial spread, the Ace of Wands came out, which is a spiritual awakening or an epiphany happening while the financial thing is going on. And then Nelita, with the children's spread, I got the when I did the children's spread, I got, and again in the financial spread, there's